Hey guys, how's it going? Hope everyone's doing great. Today, we're gonna give you some important tips to choose the best DJ controller for you. When selecting a DJ controller, there are a number of factors to take into account. The first and unquestionably the most significant factor is the DJ software you use. It's vital to keep in mind that the software, which was developed in partnership with Serato DJ, only works with specific controllers. Actually, the majority of DJ controllers are made with one or two specific pieces of software in mind, and many of them include that software as part of the purchase price. As a result, your choice of controller is likely to be greatly impacted by your preferred DJ program, or vice versa. It's also important to think about if you'll want any built-in audio inputs, such as the ability to connect turntables, CDJs, or an instrument to your setup, as well as whether you would wish to add time-coded vinyl or CDs in the future. Another thing to think about is that several of the controllers on our list also function as independent mixers without the need for a computer connection. The list continues with size, appearance, construction quality, and pricing. In conclusion, it's challenging to name a single piece of equipment the best controller, but we can provide you a list of some of our favorites among the possibilities that are currently on the market. The only truly practical method to test a DJ controller is to actually use it by mixing with it. That is precisely what our evaluation team does when evaluating a brand new DJ equipment. We try our best to adopt the perspectives of as many various types of DJs as we can in order to study how each may get along with any given controller. But we are aware that not all DJs perform in the same manner. We inquire about how each feels during extended and slow mixes, how the crossfader and jog wheels feel during rapid cuts and live performances, and how any pads, EQs, or effects controls react during live performances. How effectively the device works with the planned program is also important, as it is with any musical controller. Does it feel responsive and tight? Do the controls make it simple to access all of the application's key components? A decent controller should allow you to feel connected to your music while keeping you away from the mouse and screen. Exactly that is what we check for when evaluating a new DJ controller. Here's our selection of the top DJ controllers on the market at this time. Number 1. Pioneer DJ, DDJ 1000. Number 2. Pioneer DJ, DDJ 400. Number 3. Native Instruments, Tractor Control S4 MK3. Number 4. Rain 12 MK2. Number 5. Roland DJ 505. Number 6. Denon MCX 8000. Number 7. Pioneer DJ, DDJ SB3. Number 8. Native Instruments, Tractor Control S2 MK3. Number 9. Pioneer DJ, REV1. Number 10. Reloop Mixin 4. Number 11. Native Instruments, Tractor Control X1. Number 12. Newmark DJ2 Go2 Touch. So that's all for today. Hope you found the video informative. Thanks for watching, folks.